The zoo entrance. The stage is set to resemble a zoo entrance with a sign that says, "Welcome to the animal adventure." Welcome, everyone, to the animal adventure. Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready to meet some amazing animals today? Our first friend is Zara the zebra. Look at her beautiful black and white stripes. Zara enters, prancing around. Zara the zebra. Hi, everyone. I'm Zara, and I love to run fast. Leo the lion's den. Move to Leo the lion's den. Next, we have Leo the lion, the king of the jungle. Leo the lion, roar. Greetings, young adventurers. I'm Leo, and I'm strong and brave. Harry the hippo's pool. Head over to Harry the hippo's pool. Say hello to Harry the hippo. He loves to swim and play in the water. Harry enters, splashing happily. Harry the hippo. Hi, everyone. I'm Harry, and I'm the best swimmer in the zoo. Charlie the cheetah's sprint. Move to Charlie the cheetah's area. Meet Charlie the cheetah, the fastest runner in the animal kingdom. Charlie enters, showing off his speed. Charlie the cheetah. Hey, kids. I'm Charlie, and I can run super duper fast. Max the moose's meadow. Go to Max the moose's meadow. Here's Max the moose, a gentle giant with big antlers. Max enters, nodding his head. Max the moose. Hi, everyone. I'm Max, and I love to explore the forest. Perry the polar bear's Arctic world. Head to Perry the polar bear's Arctic world. Last but not least, meet Perry the polar bear, who loves the icy cold. Perry enters, pretending to shiver. Perry the polar bear. Hello, little friends. I'm Perry, and I'm built for the chilly Arctic. Benny the bee's flower garden. Move to a colorful flower garden, and now, let's meet our tiny but mighty friend, Benny the bee. Benny enters, buzzing happily. Benny the bee. Hi, everyone. I'm Benny, and I help flowers grow with my buzz. Well, that concludes our animal adventure. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to love and respect all animals, big and small. So this for now, kids. We meet you in another video. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoons.